Introducing the 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.